People can literally grow their brains and make it stronger. For example, we might think we have a bad memory, but evidence shows that we can grow our memories with effort. In London, taxi drivers have to pass an exam called the Knowledge, which involves learning almost all the streets and landmarks in the city. It takes about 2 years to learn, and some people don't make it. When researchers looked at the brains of these taxi drivers studying the Knowledge, they found that the memory part of their brain got bigger with practice. This part, called the hippocampus, got bigger as cabbies practiced for longer. Yes, their memories got better with training, and their brains got bigger at the same time. Neuroscience has shown that it's not just our memories that can get better, but our intelligence, our discipline, and our personality as well. People who believe that they can grow with work and effort have what is called a growth mindset, and it's a pretty useful mindset to have.
I think the benefits of a growth mindset are far-reaching, not just in university, but in your entire life. Your perspective on how you approach challenges and obstacles is super important. If you approach a challenge or an obstacle by avoiding it, you're probably not going to improve. But if you see an obstacle as just feedback on improving, you're going to improve from it and get better.
There are a lot of benefits to thinking in this way. If we can change our brains, then we can change pretty much anything we think, feel, or do. We can change our beliefs about what's possible.
I kind of thought about, okay, I can do something about this. I can look into it a bit more. I can figure out where I'm going wrong, and I ended up doing quite a lot of research and spent a lot of time outside of my study to make up the deficit in my knowledge. A lot of the students that I did my undergrad with approached it similar ways as me. If there was ever an issue or a question, or if we were stuck on something that we just couldn't wrap our heads around, everyone was there to help and try and improve on it. I can't think of too many people that just would avoid it or just kind of forget about it. Most of us worked as a team and tried to bounce ideas off each other and tried to always come up with a solution.
Some might talk about being bad at maths, but we've found most students at ACU believe that they can get better with the right training and some feedback. We've all seen it happen at school or in sport, where practice and feedback have meant we've gotten better at something where we've struggled. Thinking that we can change not only helps us to succeed, but it helps us to help other people too.